Vi må ikke lade dem komme tæt på, før de har fuldendt fælden. Vi
means we, pronounced.
vi.
It's the first person plural pronoun, referring to the speaker and at least one other person.
Må
Means must or have to, pronounced.
må.
It's a modal verb indicating obligation or necessity.
Ikke
Means not, pronounced.
ee-kuh.
It's an adverb that negates the verb.
Lade
Means to let or to allow, pronounced.
lade.
It's an infinitive verb, here used in the imperative.
Dem
Means them, pronounced.
dem.
It's the object pronoun in the accusative case, referring to a group of people or things.
Komme
Means to come, pronounced.
kom-muh.
It's an infinitive verb, here used in the infinitive form.
Tæt
Means close, pronounced.
tæt.
It's an adjective, modifying.
På
Means on or to, pronounced.
på.
It's a preposition indicating proximity or direction.
Før
Means before, pronounced.
fur.
It's a conjunction or preposition indicating time precedence.
De
Means they, pronounced.
du.
It's the third person plural pronoun, referring to a group of people.
Har
Means have, pronounced.
har.
It's a present tense form of the auxiliary verb.
At have fuldendt.
Means completed or perfected, pronounced.
Fuldendt.
It's the past participle of the verb.
At fuldende.
To complete.
Fælden.
Means the trap, pronounced.
Fælden.
It's the definite form of the noun.
Fælde.
Trap. Putting it together.
Vi må ikke lade dem komme tæt på, før de har fuldendt fælden.
Means, we must not let them come close before they have completed the trap. It suggests a cautious approach, emphasizing the need to avoid proximity until a task is finished.